I think first and foremost, I think we're going to see that an ETF will drive interest. Will drive interest because it's obvious that if it's more available for retail and institutionals alike, then there will be more ability for people from their traditional brokerages to just simply put Ethereum and buy an ETF from whichever broker they actually use traditionally. So that one seems obvious, and I think the industry in general agrees because of the market movements that happen around news of ETFs walking towards approval. Bitcoin is one thing. Ethereum is a little bit of a different animal in the sense that it's going to be critical that some of the ETFs do stake, because otherwise the difference is not just paying the fees of an ETF to hold Ethereum. Now, as an investor, you're actually looking at this Ethereum ETF, and it's not just the fees that you're paying that are the downsides, is the added dilution that you have if these assets are not staking. So I do think it changes the calculus pretty dramatically, and it is different from a Bitcoin ETF in terms of how the ETF is set up and how future ETFs will appear, and whether they stake or don't stake will be one of the big differentiators of the folks that will be able to solve this problem. And partly is because the infrastructure is more complex, there is more risk, there is the need for different types of partners. Staking is something that we do, but it's not something that everybody does. And so that will be interesting to actually see how the first entity that actually comes to market, not just with an ETF for Ethereum, but with an ETF for Ethereum that allows folks to claim the gains or to be protected from the dilution.